Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Tina. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Okay. First, let's review your problem set. Okay.
hmm
We are not going to be. We do not have the time to go over every problem, but let's focus on the four that you are wrong. Is that okay?
hmm
Let's look at the problem 7. So every time you actually write a, let me show you. Okay. So please put the input in this way. So B and then pick 2. You use a bracket number. Okay.
Okay.
Something like that. And then 10 problem align, 5 problem, you put a space there, 5 problem, put a space there, 10 problem, you put a different line. Your last problem, you do not pick, you did not have it. I put an X there, means that you did not pick, okay? X means that you have no answer or you don't know. If you don't know about the answer, you cannot pick anyone, you just put an X, okay?
Oh,
Then we know that that problem you don't know. So the last one we also review, okay? That's one we also
okay.
review. Okay, it's okay. Let's actually look at number 7. Number 7, why website designed to work within boundary of current web protocol? Okay, so this one is on protocol. So before we go into the problem, we know that protocol is a known set of rules that governing the communication of two different network devices. Okay, so it's a set of rules anyway. But even when limiting the website's capability, so let's read it. Okay, so since the protocol are supposed, so let me see, what is why most are designed within boundary of the protocol. Okay, why you need to stay within the boundary of the protocol. Okay, even that limit the capabilities. So we want to have a standard to communicate. That's the answer. So since the protocol is supported by all current web browsers, potential incompatibility are minimized. Okay, this one may be correct. Okay, illegal to go beyond the boundary of the current protocol. Yeah, this one also correct. Maybe we will compare later. Current protocol at the limit of the web technology. No, it's not. Okay, this one is not. Because your technology can be bigger, can be more stronger, but protocol may limit it. Okay. If a protocol is stated, ISP will assume the website is broken and miscellaneous. No, they will not assume that. So now it's down to A and B. We need to pick one. It's illegal to go beyond the boundary, so it's not illegal. It should be illegal. You can have a new standard, so it's actually illegal. So I think this one I will pick A. Okay, let's see. This one I'll pick A. Let me see. Let me see the answer. So the report, okay, they say 7, and this A is the correct answer. Is that okay?
hmm
A is the correct answer. So here I list down the answer key and your answer, answer key and your answer. So let's see. This one answer key is A. Your choice is D. Okay, your choice is D. That's how we can see that this report. This one is generated by a program. I write a program to generate it. Okay, anyway, that is A. Let's go back to look at it again. Right here, okay, it's talk about protocol, okay, and protocol supported by web browsers, Google Chrome, Firefox, everybody, and Safari for Apple. It's actually they all supported this, correct? Illegal if go beyond the protocol, no, because you may have a new protocol. So you can propose a new protocol. So it's not illegal. Illegal means the government doesn't allow it. No. Current protocol limited technology. No, that your technology may go beyond. It's just like the protocol doesn't allow it. So no, it's not actually the limit of the product technology. If the protocol is stated, ISP assume that it's broken. No, it will not. Okay. Sometimes they allow it because there are some feature for Google Chrome that is not supported by Safari. They may still be working. For example, nowadays some website may already support AI. Okay, they may not. They may some network may some website may not support AI, so it is not okay. So As you can see, this kind of the AP problem is very conceptual. It is a little bit like ACT's science section, okay? So you need to know about the concept. Here, the key concept is protocol. Protocol is the communication standard. And it doesn't limit the web technology. It doesn't, it's not illegal if you don't follow it, okay? Or if you are beyond it. Now, second problem is 23. Let's look at 23. 23 has a table, okay? This one related to hardware. Okay, now a certain computer has two identical processors, so you have two CPU. Let me see. You have two CPU. Now each processor can run only one process at a time. So you can put one process here, one process here. One process is one task. Okay. So each processor must be executed by a single processor. Processor one must and process 1 and 2 must run in series. So 1 must follow by 2. Okay. So basically these two need to be bundled together. So this will take 50 seconds. Now the following, okay, and then 4, 5, and then 3, 4, 5 can be parallel. These 3, 4, 5 can be parallel. Okay. Now the following capability, the time needed for executing 5 processes on a single processor. So if you only have one processor, you don't have the second one, then your 5 processes you need to run one at a time. Here you already say it's a single processor. You have 2 processors, but right now we are talking about one you don't use. You only use one. You only use one. You have 5 processors. The time that you need it is sum them together. So this one would be 50, 50, 180B. It's okay?
Yeah, I saw this one is like parallel together.
Oh, I'm sorry. Actually, the answer is C. Let me see.
I saw it as B because I think it's can parallel together. It said it's at 2
Oh, I'm
processors.
sorry. It actually is 1, 2. And then you go run 50 for the 3, right?
Mhm.
And then you still need to run 40, 40. So this one is 50 plus 80, you've got 130. I'm sorry. It actually means that right here, this is a little bit misleading, but it says that all processes can be run on single CPU. So you can run 1 here and then 3 here, but 1 must follow by 2. 2 must be following it. You cannot break it, okay? Is that okay?
And 1 and 2 working together, and then 3 parallel with them. So it's
Yeah.
like take 50 seconds to
50
make
seconds for
1,
the
2,
first
and
2.
3.
Yeah. And then
1,
4,
2, and 3
5.
use 4, 5. Can they parallel together? So it's only take like 40 seconds. So I think it's 90 seconds for this one.
Yeah. Actually, the answer is B. So this one is a little bit confusing. Let me see. Let me see your answer and we'll pick. The answer says C. Let me see. This one 23. I think this one. I think this is a technical error by the parents. Okay.
Mhm.
I remember now. Actually, it's an error by parents. Very hard to see which problem it is. Okay. Okay. Let me check this one. Actually 23 is 10, 20, 23. You pick B. Yeah. Okay. I think you are correct. Okay.
Okay.
You are correct. Forget about it. Forget about the answer. It says this one here, it has a single processor. It's a little bit confusing. Oh, I'm sorry. Here, this table only say that single processor, how much it take. It doesn't say that you have to run a single processor. Actually, the table is that each one if you run on a single processor, how much it takes. So you're right. You can do 30, 20, and then 50, and then 40, 40. Okay. So you're right, initially it's a 90-second beat. Okay, I'm sorry. So this one you get 1 point back, okay?
Okay.
Next one is 28. 28, to protect the path of the hurricane, to predict the path of hurricane. So your hurricane move on every day to go like this, okay, whatever. A programmer need to use an extremely large amount of data, reporting thousands of the sensors, so a lot of sensors there, and then predicting the path. This problem is so large complicated, it's impractical to solve on a single part computer. Some programmer decided to use a distributed solution, okay? Use distributed solution. How can distributed solution help to speed up the time needed to execute the program? If the task can be broken down in parallel, then they are okay. Okay. So distributed computing can speed up processes by using multiple computers in parallel. Yes. Distributed computer can speed up runtime by using multiple computers in series. In series means one after another. That's not. Okay. They're not going to help. No. A distributed computer software can speed up runtime by multiple processes in parallel on a single computer. Distributed, this is a keyword for distributed. Keyword for distributed means that you have multiple computers. Each of them may have multiple CPU. So you say that the multiple processor on a single computer, you are running no, distributed means multiple computer. Distributed doesn't mean that, that's by the word of the definition of distributed. Distributed means multiple computer. You have 3, 4 different computers put it in different room, that we call it distributed computer. Multiprocessor means a CPU may have multiple processors on board of one same computer. Okay, so here is the definition of the distribution. Okay, distributed computation can speed up the runtime by using multiple processors in series. So this one even wrong. So C, D are wrong. Okay, the answer is A. Okay, the answer is A.
Okay.
28 is A. Next one, 29. Okay, 29 actually is the last one. Okay. 29 actually is the last one you didn't answer. The X one, okay?
Oh, I didn't see there's another page.
Yeah, it's okay. A program saw the data in take a 10 seconds to solve the 300 students based on GPA and run on a single computer. So 300 students take 10 seconds, okay? When the program is run using 2 computers in parallel, so that means the speed actually is, so this one, okay, let's look at it. So 300 students, 10 seconds, so you have 300 divided by 10 seconds, you have one processor that will be 30 students per second. Okay, now you have 2 parallel, take 5 seconds to run. What is the speed up? Speed up 5 versus 10, you speed up about 2. Okay? Is that okay?
Yeah.
It's speed up 2, but double the speed. And the speed up ratio is the new time, old time divided by new time. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, that's okay now. So this week today we will assign a new assignment for you. You work on it and we will review it on Saturday on the one you are wrong. Is that okay? Right now we have to speed up because you have too many chapters to go on. So each week we need to do 2 part. Okay, we cannot just do one. That actually is too slow. Okay. Now, today I want to, any questions so far?
No.
No, you don't have question? Today I want to go on to review your capability in programming. Is that okay?
Yeah.
So now, let me go to my code.org. Since your teacher is using code.org, okay? We are going to use a code.org for a project. So let me sign in first. And you sign in for a new session with us, okay? With us. So let me give you this one. You actually, this one, let me take a picture on it. You sign in with DWCLCJ, okay? You sign in with this section. Go to your website, sign in with this section, and we are going to work on this one today, okay?
Okay.
Because your teacher might have a session, I don't want it to be in concrete. So you work on this one, so you will learn something, and you can still work on the part that your teacher has, okay? So
Okay.
now let me stop sharing. You share, okay? You share. I'll look at you how you log into the session and then get started.
Mhm.
And I'm going to guide you one step by step in programming. I don't know how much programming capability you have, but I'm going to guide you, okay?
Yeah. Okay.
So we have practice and check-in and lecture mixed together today, okay?
Mhm.
Can you share now?
Let me see. I think I can share. Wait a second.
Did you practice sharing last time after class?
Yeah, I think I can share, but yeah.
Okay, take your time, okay?
Mm, but I'm just thinking, like, I don't know why my code org is in Chinese
Okay,
right
okay.
now. I'm trying to fix it to English.
This is
Because
okay, but
here it's English, but I don't know why it's Chinese.
I think maybe you
Okay.
browse a lot of things and your browser, does your browser detect the Chinese? But it's okay, you log in first.
Okay. Um, where should I log in here?
Go to the dashboard, this
Folder.
one. Go to the
Here.
dashboard, go to here, this one, yeah. Now, you do have a computer science,
Final course. Oh, here.
yeah, join, so that one, let me see. DWCLCJ,
W
DW,
E W D W.
DWCLCJ.
Is
Yes,
it capitalized?
yeah, just like that. Okay, so go there.
Okay. Which one is this one? What
So
section?
you are,
Computer science. Oh, here.
no, that one is your school's one.
Oh.
Go down, go down. I think this one is Eric Chow. You go to here, AP Computer. It's a AP Computer Science Principle 26. Your
Mm-hmm.
teacher is last year's version. Maybe, okay, it's okay. But go here now. We want to directly go to the unit 3. We want to go only on the programming. Now you get started with the unit 3. I'm going to guide you. So you go to this one.
This one?
Yes, go and start it. Okay. The teacher don't expect you to be here. Please, as your teacher, that you should be on. Go to the unit overview. Click overview. Click 2. No, your teacher doesn't allow it. Let me see. No, that is a problem. Now, that's actually your teacher doesn't allow you to use your own session. So go back. Now, because your teacher don't allow it, let's go back. But let's use your teacher's session. Okay, since your teacher doesn't allow it, let's actually just work on your teacher's one. So let's go
Okay.
to this
This one?
Yes, this one. Go to this Union Suite right here. So you get started from here. Let me see. Can you read it?
No.
No, your teacher disable everything. No, debug. Okay. Don't do it. Don't do it. Let me try another way. Okay. Oh, this is too bad. This is too bad. Your teacher doesn't allow you to work on it at all. Let me see. Then we cannot do it this way. You use a different name to log in.
Oh, I can use a different account.
Yeah, use a different account to go into the code.org. And then also
Okay.
sign up my course. Can you do that?
Yeah, I think I can use my own account. Let me. Which one? I am here right now. Mm,
Can you use a different account?
Create account.
Log out from the code.org. Completely log out from code.org. Use a different username or different things to sign up. Must be different account than your original account.
Okay, let me see. I was Google.
That is your account in school, right?
Yeah, but I was using my personal email for my school.
Okay. Now it's okay. You sign it with this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sign up. Be careful. Don't be the same. Okay. We just want it to. But did your teacher help you to work on the app introduction to app those kind of things before?
Uh,
No.
I don't think so.
Okay. Anyway, you go there to join the section. Join the DWCLCJ section.
EWCLCG.
Then even now, what kind of programming they teach you? They actually don't go. Okay,
I don't really know.
go to the Union Street. Go to the Union Street.
Unit 3.
Okay, go to the one here per Union. Yeah, something like that. Okay, now let's get started. You start to answer the question.
Mhm.
Okay, what are the most used app currently? What app you use? This one just arbitrarily put anything. We don't care about this.
Okay. Chat,
Yeah, WeChat, YouTube, those kind of things.
IG,
Yeah. Five other.
TikTok,
Yeah.
um, Facebook,
Or more.
mm, Snapchat.
Okay, submit. That doesn't count. Okay, that doesn't count.
Okay.
Okay, despite app that how it benefit you. Let's assume that it's TikTok. How it benefit you?
Mm, for TikTok,
Mm. What's the good? What's good about it?
we can have more information.
Yeah, have more. Just put something there
Easy
because what important is that we want to learn
information.
programming. We don't have time to work on this. Is that okay?
Okay. No.
IG, whatever.
IG.
High school student,
Easy
how they
to
help high school
message
student.
friends.
Yeah, go submit. Okay, now, uh, water tips. Okay, go wrong, hit wrong. Hit wrong. Hit this wrong.
Oh, I can't hear you. Okay.
Hit wrong. You hear something?
Yeah,
Okay. Okay, go.
continue.
Okay,
Also
so
keep wrong.
hit wrong, yeah. Begin quiz. Okay. So this is just show you what app is. Do you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. So app is this just like your cell phone. You have another thing that you can play on. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
That's what it is. Nothing important. Keep clicking. Okay, keep wrong. I think these are not important things. These are not important things. You can just keep going on. I don't think this will help you in programming. You just need to know these are different apps. That's it. Okay, now you try to, I think this is drag and drop. Pull it to the answer.
Oh,
No, I think the user interface is the screen with the image and text. And user click button is the input.
okay.
Okay. So let's talk about it. When you have a program, you have some processing part, you have input and output. Okay. And then when you design a app that's called user interface. And behind the user interface, there is a program. So you need to handle the input and output and then show the result on the user interface. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Now, next one, let's go to the design mode. So introduction to the design mode. Click one. Okay, now before you get started, now this time let me do my part. Okay, you will come back to share your screen later. Okay, let me do it now. Now let me show you. Okay, let me show you. Now my turn. Okay. So let me show you. Eventually, there is a software in the code.org. Let's look at code.org. Okay, code.org. So code.org actually right here. Let me have my projects. So Eric, my project. Okay, so this is an environment for programming. Okay, it's called AppLab. So if you find from the Google, you can do code.org AppLab. Okay, AppLab is a tool that actually used for code.org to generate project. So you click that, you can find it. And they are also, when you code.org AppLab, you also have the documentation. So you say LDAP documentation, they will show you the user manual for the LDAP. Is that okay? So let me copy this one for you. That means that when you don't know something, you can go to here to search for it. That is the app menu. I'm sorry. So that's right here. I give you the, give you the link. I put it on the Facebook. Okay. That's the link for the documentation that show you when you have something that you don't know, you actually how to use it. Okay, let's go back to here. Now, and that usually when you get started, you would create a new project. So you create a new project, let's assume that create a new project called LLab project. Okay, so this is the LLab project, and you have the design, you have the code, okay, and you have data, 3 sections. So let's create something. This one, let me call it the Tina one. Tina 0, okay. Tina 0. This is a project name. You can name whatever you want, okay. I
Mhm.
call it T0 because this is the first project you have. And no purpose. Okay, that's actually safe. Now, when you do design, design is right here. So I can choose a default color, let's just choose orange. And then put a button. Okay, so here it has a button. So this button, let me change it to click me. Okay, click me. So let's do click me. Okay. So after choosing this one, I actually have an event. I click on this one, I choose insert code. Insert code here, click me right here. Actually, let's see. Let's actually let's do raise some.
Oh, it's like Scratch, right?
Hmm?
It's like the Scratch, is it named?
What? Scratch?
Like it's yeah.
The similar to Scratch, yeah. This one we call it block programming. Block programming means you can use block, but in fact, it's actually JavaScript. You can show text, it becomes JavaScript.
Oh.
Show block it's different from Scratch. So MIT Scratch actually is block programming. You do pull block to here. You do pull your block, whatever block you want from here to here. So let's pull something here to here. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Similar to Scratch, yes. But there's a little bit different is that you can also go back to JavaScript mode to edit it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, let's run it and click me. You hear the sound? You hear the sound?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Anyway, this is just to show you what we are going to do. Eventually, is to teach you how to program and then know how to program an app. Is okay?
Yeah,
So we'll guide you step by step and also teach you JavaScript language. Did you learn JavaScript language before?
not really.
What language you learned before?
Python.
You learned Python before?
Like a little bit, yeah.
How long did you learn Python?
It's like 1 year, but it's like really basic.
Okay, good enough. How about you know how to run for loop, right?
Yeah.
Okay. How about let's see. Did you learn Scratch?
Yeah.
Okay, now good enough. Okay, good enough. Good enough to use this tool. Okay, this one is JavaScript based, and we'll teach you step by step. Now let's go back. You share the screen, so you know what is the app lab, and then you go to there, go guys, lesson by lesson. So
Mm-hmm.
from now on, you keep learning this softwares using your spare time. Not only the class, you also need to go through this lesson by lesson until you finish the unit 3, 4, 5. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, now read it carefully. So they want you to do this, read it, and then carefully. So look at the element on the screen. Try to move some of them around. What property they change? So this is observation. So you click on the property.
Property. Yeah, here's property.
Okay. Now let's assume that you move the red button around. You go there and move it around.
Move it to
Move it around.
where should I move it to? Somewhere?
So these two are changing.
Oh,
That's what they
like
want you to see. Is that okay?
yeah.
So that means that you move things around, the parameter are changing. That's all you need to know.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so you hit wrong. You just hit wrong. You just hit wrong. Finish this one. This is not important. This is the
Okay.
only thing that they want you to do right here. Hit wrong. Okay,
Yeah.
and then go to the next one. We don't have time to waste on here. Okay, now
Okay.
this one is an app title, and then there's some app and type here, whatever, and then okay, here it said click on the screen elements, match the theme in the design toolbox. So they want you to change this one. Just click orange or citrus, whatever you want to have. Is that okay?
Yeah.
No. Actually, this one you need, I'm sorry, I make a mistake. This one
Which
you
one?
you need to pull down this a little bit. Pull from here. Yes, pull down. They want it to be
Oh.
this color, so let's change the go down to the color that okay, this one. I think this one. Is okay? The wrong,
Yeah.
I think that is the one that they want. You need to match that, otherwise they don't allow you to pass.
Okay.
Okay, now that one is okay. Now this one is color the background color. They want you to color the background color. So you do have an app. You want to change the color. So no, don't use the changing. Yeah, you already had a screen, right?
Mhm.
And
Yeah.
they want you to change this color. So change the color here. Now click this one.
Here.
Click this one. Click here. Click this button. Yeah. Click. Okay, choose the color. Now means you are changing the color to the color, changing the background color to here. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Now go up. Do they need a specific color or no?
Yeah.
Okay, they want it to be white. Let me see. You can type the common color white.
Can I
Okay,
type it
they
here?
actually they don't care about color, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they don't care. So you can do wrong and finish it.
Okay.
You can okay now let's stop a little bit. Stop right here. Okay, let's stop right here. Let me teach you.
Mhm.
So about color, JavaScript color. Okay. About JavaScript color, let me teach you JavaScript color. So JavaScript color has a few different kind of scene that you can do. Let me create a different scene now. Let me use a HTML page. Okay, let me do it this way. Okay, HTML page, I have a different editor. I don't need you to use it, but eventually, if someone who is professional, they will do it in this way. Okay, so now let me actually let me see. Let me actually open the folder. Okay, so open folder. Let me go to here. Go to app review and go to student. No, I'm sorry. Go to no. Data, we do it now. Let me create a new one. This one, let me call it JavaScript. Okay. And then this JavaScript, let me create a new directory. Let's call it week 1. Okay, let's choose this week 1. And then let me create a new file. This one, let me call it, let me actually trust it. Okay. Let me close it. Now let me create a new file. So this one, let me call it a.html. It's an HTML file. Okay. So right here, I'm going to create a HTML page, and JavaScript is on the HTML page. Okay. Your core app lab is also a HTML page, then just a specialized HTML page. So right here, I can call it style. I'm sorry, no, it's in the head. Okay, and you have a body. Okay. Now, I'm just going to show you the color. So style is used for CSS for the color. Okay. So now let me actually just do one thing. Okay. So here I'm going to do body. So for the background color, we call it background color. So background color in JavaScript, you can do white. Okay, now don't use white. Let's use beige. So this one we call it color name. This one's called color name. Is that okay? So you
Yeah.
can assign the color using color name. Let's try it. Let's actually look at the page. So this one, let's go student, no, go to JavaScript, week 1, and then A page. So it's a page color, right? Now let me change it. Let me change to another color called Azure. Azure is a light blue color, okay? So this one, let's refresh, it become Azure color. Is that okay?
Yeah.
So this one we call it color name, okay? So color name. Now, if this one is a comment, you can comment it out, okay? Comment it out means that it's useless now. It actually is useless. JavaScript also would have the comment. You use a slash star star slash, that's comment. In Python, it's using sharp. Is that okay? Sharp is
Yeah.
a comment, but right here in JavaScript, it's a slash star star slash. This portion is a comment. Now, second one you can do, this is first one's color name. Second one is called background color. And then you can use the RGB function to assign the color. So let's do 127, 127, 0. So this one is red, green, and blue. So this color, I think it's olive color, is half red, half green, no blue. And that is this olive color. Okay. So this one is you assign the color using color function. Okay, this one called color function. So you can use a color function, and color function has 3 parameters: red, green, blue. Okay. But blue, no blue right now. So this is color function. Let's actually look at the color function effect. Let's actually do save. Go out, refresh the code, it becomes this olive color. So you can change different background color to change the color right here. And what I'm showing you is the color. You can use a color function. You can use a color name. Color name, usually you use a double quote white or single quote white. That is usually the color string to as the name. Is that okay? That's what you are doing right now. Okay. Now let's go back. One more thing. There's a third way to assign color. Okay. Let me show you the third way to assign the color. So third way to assign color is the background color. And then I use a sharp. Sharp is number. Whenever you say sharp, sharp is number. So number what? Number 7F. 7F. No. Let's do 7F 007F. So this color is equivalent to RGB 127, 0, 127. So this one is half red, half blue, but no green. It is this magenta color or something, like purple color. Is that okay? This one we call it color code. Okay?
Yeah.
I'm teaching you different way to assign color. So this is a color code. Okay, let's look at this color code. Let me turn off this background color. Just to have the color code. So right now I'm teaching you colors. Okay. Now let's have this color code. Let's go back to our page and then refresh it. You click here, you reload your HTML page. So click here, it becomes this color code. Is that okay? Does that make sense? That doesn't make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, now
Yeah.
one more. So there's a fourth way that you can assign color is you can do background color. and do sharp 444. This 444, we call it half byte color code. That means it's equivalent to sharp 444444. It's just like shorten 44 to 4. Is that okay?
Oh,
Shorten 44 to 4. Shorten 44 to 4. So you use 444 means 444444 this one. So anyway, that's actually save it. And then that color is almost like gray color because your 3 color is the same. You got a gray color. Is that okay?
yeah.
Now let's go back. You show your software. I'm a little bit fast because I need to accelerate your learning. Is that okay?
Yeah.
No, right now you actually go back to here. Don't click this one. You use the color code. You put the sharp 7F. No, just come to here.
Oh, here.
Delete it. Yeah, put in sharp 7F sharp 7F 007F.
7F007F.
Yes,
They need to be like capitalized.
lowercase, uppercase doesn't matter. So
Okay.
you got it?
Yeah.
See, it changed to the color we assign.
Mhm.
So the color code is also okay. That's what we are trying to do. Okay.
Okay.
So let's try this one, light blue. English light blue. No space. No space.
Oh,
Light blue.
light blue.
No quote. No quote. Do you have a quote in the beginning?
Mm,
Go. Got it? So this
yeah.
is color name.
Mhm.
So we show you color function, color name, color code. These 3 you need to keep in mind. Okay, good enough. Run, go to next one. I'm sorry. What do they want to do? I forget this one, what they want to do. Okay, you can add an image. Okay, you can get images. So go to your design. Add an image. You need to add an image. So pull the image there.
You said
Yeah. Okay, you choose that one. You choose the
this
image.
one.
Choose image. No. You already had the image. Let me show you. Okay. No. Let me show you. Okay. Let me show you. You will do it later. Okay. You'll do it later. Let me show you. You will do it later. Let me show you. Okay.
Okay.
Let me share my screen. Now let me go back. So let's go back to our Tina 0. Okay. So go back to Tina 0. Let me actually pull this clipping to somewhere else. Okay. So go to the design. I can move it. Okay. Now let me put an image right here. Okay. So now let's assume that you want to do Hello Kitty. Okay. Let's actually choose the Hello Kitty. So let me choose any of the picture. Let's pick this one. Okay. So let me save it. Save image as. Okay, then I'm going to put it on the same directory because later I'm going to send you the directory later. So let me put on JavaScript week 1. Okay, this one is a PNG file. That's fine. Okay, this one let's call Kitty. Okay, now we download it. I download it, right? I download it, and then now let me go back to my code.org website. Okay, so right here, this one, let me click on it. Okay, so in the design, click on it. So here you have an image. Okay, let's go to the property. So right here, choosing images, choose. So upload file. Okay, let me choose different thing. You can choose icon from here. So let's choose this one. It can be this one, okay? Or you can choose upload file and then choose this kitty and then choose. And then it's an image that you have. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Now you do the same thing for yourself. Whatever image you want to download, share it So I'm trying to guide you step by step, but later you need to speed up yourself. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
So if you want to choose a earphone, this is okay. But if you want to, let's try download from an image from outside somewhere else.
Okay.
Go browse it, whatever you want.
So Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty, banana, whatever you want.
Uh,
Just want you to try it.
see guys.
Just want you to try it out to download a file, and then you have to download to somewhere, okay?
Yeah. Here.
Choose. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Now he finished. You're done. Next one. Okay. Now, what do they want you to do?
Like add two image here
Yeah.
and here.
Right and left. Yes. Go. You do it.
Okay.
I'm not going to bother you.
How can I add an image? Oh, like this.
Yes.
Oh.
Make it smaller. You can make it smaller and attach the icon before you move there. You don't need to move it right in the place. You can move it later. Now choose the image. Choose the image first. Choose the image icon right here. Type film. 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 Yes. The first one. Yes. You get the same one. Move it there. Yes. Now this one. Make it smaller. Yeah. Choose the image. You can choose camera or YouTube, whatever. Yeah. Video camera. Yes. Go there. There. Okay. Wrong. Finish. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Now pull down to see what they want you to do. I'm not going to bother you this time. You do whatever they want you to do, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Because I need you to be independent and keep learning. The goal is I need you to be able to do programming in here. It's okay? And unless that is a programming language issue, I'll teach you, okay? Otherwise, I'll let you learn through yourself, okay? If this is only editing a button, doing something else, I'll let you do it. And you need
I
to
think that's all. Like change the button 1 to play button. Uh,
important that your meaningful name. Okay, so what they want to do is that change the button to play button. So you change it to button, yeah. Notice the change the rest of the element meaningful. So that's click whatever meaningful. Is that meaningful? The name, they want it to be the changing this one or changing this one, changing
click the button.
no, they want it to be the ID. Okay, let's see. You can they want it to be ID. Okay, now let me tell you something. You may have a few buttons, say button 1, button 2, button 3, button 4, right? At the end, you may forget that which button is button 1, which button is button 2. So here you will name this one the ID as the play button. So you know what's the difference between ID and text? ID is the button name. Text is what show on here. It's different. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So now you actually want to change the label ID for label and the ID. So for example, this one you may want to be a label. It may be a label, but you want to call it title label. You know what I'm saying? This one may be a help label, something like that. You just change the name until you.
Oh, so I changed it the ID, right?
Yeah, change the ID to meaningful name.
Button.
No,
All of others need to be like this.
yeah. They just give you the label 1, 2, 3 for default value. you want to
Okay.
change it to meaningful name.
Better.
I think this one is not prep button. This one is
Click the cookie.
yeah, click cookie, whatever. And this one ID is prep button. This one is
Cookie.
okay, yeah. This one's prep button. Meaningful name. Let's just give them a meaningful name, not wrong and finish it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, next one. Pull down to see what they want you to do.
You make this whole image, I think.
They want you to do it. Yeah,
I
then
think so.
then you try. Then you try.
Uh,
Go up to look at the description. Go up to look at the description. Use what you learn to create the design below. Yeah, they want you to do it. Now, first thing I would suggest you to choose a default color. Don't change the background color right here. Go down to choose a color. I think this one is good. Yeah. Okay, now look at the design. What do you have?
two pictures here.
I think right
Okay.
here you have a label and two picture, one picture here, one picture here, one picture here. And then one button here, one input box. This one is the input box. This one is the menu. Go down,
Oh.
go down, go down, go down. Let me show you. Pull up a little bit, pull up a little bit, pull this one up a little bit.
Up a little bit.
Yeah, so I think the
Text input is here.
yeah, text input here, drop down is here, drop down is the AAM. Yeah, make it smaller. Okay, make it smaller. The input is make it smaller. This one is the input. So this one is a drop down menu. This one's the button. Okay.
Drop down menu.
Yes, and make it smaller. Okay, just put whatever they want first. Change color, change size later. Okay, and a button. This one is a button. This one is a button. Yeah, this is button. Okay, change it later. This one is a text area.
Text area.
Yeah, do like it, right? Just put it there. Change the slide later. Now, go up. You have one label. Practice log.
Label.
One label. Put it in. Change the size later. You don't care. Put two image first. Don't change it right now. You cannot be perfect right now. Put it right here. Later move to there because you need to change the size. Put it right here. Put it right here. You change the size. You need to make this one perfect first. Now you have another image right here.
Put it here.
And then this one you need to download keyboard.
Okay.
So go down and download a keyboard. Or piano keyboard.
Oh.
Because keyboard sometimes is computer keyboard. Keyboard small. Yeah, you choose one. I think this one okay. We don't need to 100% exact. So choose one that you want. Okay. Don't need to put exact because later we can adjust the size, everything.
Okay.
Now start to beautify it. Okay. Spend your time to beautify. Do it one by one. Don't do everything at the same time. So start with the practice log. Okay, do whatever. Yeah, you can change it in the first.
Wait a second.
Make it smaller. This one's music note.
Okay.
Make it smaller. Don't pull it back. Don't pull it there because you want it to be smaller. Yeah, much smaller, much smaller, much smaller. Okay, now you want to change the icon color, so change this one to yellow. I think a little bit brighter yellow. More here, more here, more here.
Yeah, I think like
yeah, you were saying more here. Yeah. Okay.
like this.
No, it's okay. Don't worry. Later you put on the blue, it will be okay. Now work on this one. No, not the border color. You actually be careful. Same color. You can copy from here.
Yeah,
it's
I did.
okay. Make it smaller. Now work on your practice log. You make so pull it to be, yeah, go there, and then pull it to be the top part. Okay, more.
Oh, I don't think. Oh yeah, more.
Yeah, you should be able to do it. Type practice log. Type practice code. Change the text. So
Oh,
property.
property. Um,
Is this your label? Text alignment center.
enter.
How come you don't have the text? Go up.
Oh,
Okay,
here.
text. Text practice log.
Practice
Log.
log.
Okay, go down a little bit. Go down a little bit. They have go down. Change the phone family to Georgia. Okay, now this one change it to 44. Is okay? I think 44
Yeah.
too big, maybe 36, because you still need to put these two on. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Do we need to
down.
move down?
Yeah. No, don't move that.
Oh.
Let's see. Go up a little bit. Go up a little bit. Let me see. They have a center, but they do not have the. No. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, I think it's okay. Don't waste time. So now put these two over there. You can eventually adjust it for a whole day. You know what I'm saying? Now
Yeah.
that just makes things that almost okay is good. Okay, now put the keyboard in. No, don't change it. Now go back to no, go up a little bit. Don't adjust. Go up to adjust it. Go up. So change the width to 320. So 320 is okay, not enough. 420. Make it wide enough to cover the whole thing. No, don't exact. Just use the number. Use a bigger number.
Oh. Oh.
Not enough. Just keep bigger.
Where is it?
Outside, you need to pull it. Yeah. Wait. Well, how come it? No, it's not going to. That's the problem you have.
No, it's not moving. It's
It's
just.
not. It's not actually making bigger. It's just the windows bigger. You need to use a different picture.
Can we add multiple picture here?
Yeah, that's okay. Multiple picture is okay, but I would use a longer one. That would be easier. Oversize is okay. They'll chop it off.
Oh, here.
Yeah, use a super long one. Yeah. Save as a long piano, whatever. You may want to use it this one.
Okay. What five? Oh, it's like
No.
this.
That is no good.
Yeah.
You may want to choose this one.
Which one?
You choose another one that actually is
Oh.
long.
Can I use like multiple picture, just add them together?
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Up to you.
Okay.
So use your previous one. Now you can actually no. Before you do it, let me show you. You can do duplicate.
Oh.
Click on the picture and duplicate. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah, I know. Duplicate.
So now you can make this one smaller. Yeah, good. Good enough. Good enough.
Okay.
Now
Oh,
it's a little
this-
bit too long here.
Yeah.
Let's try go down. Height. Let's go down. Height change it to 50. 50. Yeah. Okay. This one also change it to 50. Okay, now you want to be multiple, but it's okay. You actually just add one more, duplicate one more time. Yeah. Let's change it. Don't use it 1000. Let's choose 200. Yeah.
Okay.
This one also 200.
Where is it?
I think they disappear here and there.
Yeah.
So go to go 1000 now. Go back to 1000. And then make it smaller.
Can't make it
This
smaller.
1000 is no good. Pull back. Make it smaller. Yeah. And eventually you're going to change it 200. And then go, yeah. And 50. Okay. I think 200 is still too big. Go down, go down, go down. Yeah. Smaller. Yes. So 130, 50. That's what you want. Duplicate. Yes. Okay, good job. One more time. Okay. Now make this one bigger.
Oh, I also need to change this, right?
Yeah.
Piano keyboard.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
This area is here. Just make it this big.
just make the text area.
Okay, good. Now this one, I think this one you have drop down menu for different time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, go check the property. So you may want to have a few options. So 8 p.m., 12 a.m., 8 a.m., 8 p.m., whatever. You may change line and have more. See, yeah, one more line or two more line, whatever, for better time. Okay. You run and click if they show up. Run and click, run and click here.
Click submit.
No. Click here.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Now
Okay.
reset. Okay, go back to change this one. This one, you have anything?
Instruments.
Instrument, here is a placeholder. Placeholder is a default value, suggestion value. Okay, now this button. Border color yellow. Border color, go to border color. Border color, go down, border color. Border color, you use the same yellow you use here. Yes. Is that okay?
Yeah.
I think the border is bigger, use a border of 7 pixel. So border, go down border 7. 7 too much or 5? I think it's
Big
5.
5.
Yes. Okay, I think it's almost there, right? It's okay now.
Yeah.
We don't want to pick it. I think this is enough. Good enough. Okay. Submit.
Yeah.
Okay, the purpose is that you practice this. Actually, just put in garbage. We don't care.
Oh, what should I write? Just some random thing?
Whatever. It doesn't count. It's not your teacher. We don't grade you. So you just put whatever you want. Remember, you are using different account, okay? Don't mix up with your school account. Now you finish lesson 2. You need to keep doing this. Okay, go back. Keep doing this.
Doing which one?
You need to keep doing these different lessons. Let's go back. Let's go back.
Go back.
Move up. Move up. Move up. Move up. Move up. Click on the computer science principle. Okay, so right now you are working on the Unit 3. Unit 3 have a lot of lessons. You need to do it one by one by yourself. Is that okay?
Yeah.
And you need to finish Unit 3, Unit 4. Go down.
Unit 3, Unit 4.
Unit 3, Unit 4, Unit 5, Unit 6, Unit 7. You have a lot of things to do because your teacher didn't cover it. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Otherwise, you cannot do the project. So I'm suggesting you, as long as you have time, you have to work on it because we don't have that much time to go on the class all the time today. Is that okay? So you need to finish this portion, doing it up to here. And then Saturday, I'm going to review where you are and actually guide you for some questions. Is that okay?
Yeah, so I need to do Unit 4,
I'm
Unit 5, Unit 6, and Unit 7, right?
up to Unit 7, and I'm expecting you to finish the whole thing 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's use a 3 week to finish. Is that okay? Let me see. 3 week, we are almost April. That's 2.5 weeks is possible. Okay. So before Saturday, you finish 3, the whole thing 3. Before next Wednesday, you finish 4. So every class time, you finish 1 unit at least. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, that's the goal. You need to do it by yourself, okay? You need to do it by yourself. Now, this portion, you have to help yourself, okay? Now, we have more time, so what more time we will cover is, okay, let me terminate your sharing, okay? Okay, this one, you will keep going, and then after you finish the whole thing, about the end of the month, starting April, I will have you to start to work on the project that is going to be submitted to a college board. Is that okay?
Yeah.
You need to learn the language first, but the time is very limited. So the sooner the better. You hear me? Now, let me do the different things now. Let me go to, okay, we have limited time. I have to do multiple things at a time. Sorry for that. You actually are very, so we do Unit 3 for 3 programming and algorithm today. They are totally 4 different lecture. Introduction to LLab, I think you have that. We will not cover it, okay? So today I'm going to cover the program structure. Okay, so program structure, we are going to, you will follow the chapter by chapter, but I'm going to go over the JavaScript language real quick right here, okay? So the first one is available and assignment. So available is a placeholder to hold your value of the program, and then in math or anything. So the available would have, is associated with the memory. So you may declare available using var is available var a equals 3. In Python, there is no bar, you just do a equals 3, but right here we do have a equals 3. Okay, let me show you in the code.org environment. Okay. So this Tina 0 is done. Okay, I'm not going to change it. I'm going to create new project. Okay, let's do it at lab. So right here, renew. So this is a new project. Let's call it Tina 2 variables. Okay, variable, no. So I do Tina 2. Now I have a code, I have a design, I have everything. So let me create something just like JavaScript. Okay, I'm going to show you this language. So right here we do have a console area right here. Okay, it's similar to Python interpreter. So let's do variable a equals 3, variable b equals 4, console.log a plus b. Okay, and then let's do another one. Let's do right. Okay, a plus b equals plus. Okay, let me do this. Let me declare another one. C equals a plus b. So here I will console log c. Here I'm going to console write a plus b equals c. And then I'm going to do a \n for changing line mark. Okay, and I run. So when I run, you see the console log would show up here. This one is your debug console. So console log would show up here. The right function.
Do I need to suppose see your screen?
Hmm?
Like, do I need to suppose see your screen? Because I can see
Oh,
your
I
screen.
did not share screen?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. I keep talking. I forget that you are not seeing my screen. I forget. So let me show you one more time. I write on a equals 3, b equals 4, c equals a plus b. This you need to put a bar. Okay, and console log. Console log will show up right here. Write a plus b. A plus b is a string. Plus c is available right here, and then \n is change line mark.
I still can see your screen.
What?
I cannot see the screen.
You cannot see my screen right now?
Yeah, I cannot.
How about right now?
No.
No?
No.
Well, let me see. Stop share. Let me share screen. Do you see my screen right now?
Oh, yeah.
Very strange. I think there's some problem. Okay, some problem with Zoom. Anyway, here I have variable a equals 3. This is the declaration of the variable. B equals 4, C equals a plus b. Okay, so this is a console log. It will show up right here. This is console. And then write a plus b is right to your app. So this is value output, two output function. Is okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so these are output function. So output you write will write HTML right on here. Okay. Okay, this is since if you are running Python before. Let me use idle. This is very much like you actually do idle new file, and then you do Python language a equals 3, b equals 4, print, sorry, c equals a plus b, and then you do print a c, okay, and then you do run. Let me save it, okay? And you have to get used to JavaScript, okay? Because you need it for the project. Otherwise, you cannot have the project, okay? So this one, let me save it right here. Let's do A, the py, okay? And you show up the value right here. This interpreter is similar to the console, okay? You use this idle before, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now, I'm just showing you how Python work, okay? And how it's related to JavaScript. So right here, the code.all, you can do the same thing. You actually do this now. You get it. So this one, let's call it Tina 2. Okay, I'm sorry. Let me rename it. It's actually Tina 1. We do not have Tina 1. Okay, let's actually create a new project. Applet. This one, let's rename it. This one, let's call it Tina 2. Okay. Variable. Okay, this is related to variable by variable. Now, I have a variable A equals. Let me have a UI control. So I'm going to variable, I'm going to use a prompt number. Okay, I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to use a prompt number. So prompt number, enter a value. And I'm going to do, let me copy the whole thing. I'm using JavaScript, okay, so I can copy. So this one I'm going to do X and Y, then variable G equals X plus Y, and then console.log your G, and then write X plus Y equals plus G. Okay? So this one, instead of putting the number here, I'm going to use a prompt number. Prompt number is ask for the number from the user. Okay, let's see. That's wrong. It asks for value for X. So let's put 3. X for value for Y. Let's use 4. Is that okay?
Yeah.
So prompt number will get a value from the window box. Okay, from the window box. So that is the input of the variable. We got a variable, we got an input of a variable. Okay. Now, third one, we are going to talk about data type. So in Python, as the same as JavaScript, there are 3 data types. 3 data type means number, string, and Boolean. Is okay? So number divided into two kind of the number. One is integer. Another type is called floating-point number, string and Boolean. So totally 4 different primitive data types. So you know what is integer? You know what is integer?
Yeah.
So what is integer?
Integer is like numbers that's not decimal, not factors.
Yeah. You know what is a float? Floating-point number?
I kind of forgot.
3.4. Any number with a fractional number is a floating-point number. Okay. Okay. So let's try these different things now. Okay. So you prompt some numbers. So let's put here X value. Okay. Y value. Okay. Now let's continue. So you can do variable F1 equals 3.141592. This is pi value. Okay. This one is pi value. So variable R equals 2.0. Okay. Variable area equals let's call it pi. Let's don't call it F1. Let's call it pi. So this area would be pi times R times R. Is okay? So this portion we call it 14 point numbers. Okay, this portion doesn't have a comment, so here that means. So I'm typing in JavaScript. In fact, you can use in JavaScript or you do show block, you become block coding. Okay.
Mhm.
This is different from Scratch. Scratch, you cannot do that, but here we have the option to do it. So here is actually get input from console. Okay, console. So you have 14 point number, you can get this one, and I'm going to console log. Okay. Console log will provide the value to here. Okay. And I'm going to say it's actually area equals plus area. Okay. So this is a 14 point number. So let's save. Let's reset. That's wrong. So x value 3, 4. Console log. I have console log. What happened to console log? In the figure, what pi is? Oh, I'm using P1. I'm sorry. It's a naming issue. One more time. 3, 4. Okay, so area is this much. Any questions so far?
No.
So this is a 14 point number. Next one, I'm going to show you string. So a string, you can do variable s equals a, b, c, d, e. Okay, this is a string. So let's do console log s. Let's do console log s1. So s1, what do you get? What will you get from s1? Your string would have index of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you okay?
Yeah.
So S1, you will get B. Is that okay?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Now you need to remember that, okay? So let's do this one and 1, 3, 4. So you got a S1, you got a whole S. So you got this, you need to know about the notation, okay? Any questions so far?
No.
So these are integer 40 point number string. Next one is a Boolean value. Boolean value is to hold a large value, so you can have a variable b equals actually x greater than 4. So if b is greater x greater than 4, then b will be equal to. Okay, so let's actually do console.log. B is a Boolean value. Boolean value has two values, true or false. But you need to remember in Java, in Python, true is T-R-U-E, is capital T. Here is lowercase t, okay? Java is capital F. Here is lowercase f. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So now let's actually preset and run. That has a file. I use a bigger X, so it will be true, okay? It will be true. 7. So right here, you see this is true for x greater than 4. Is that okay?
Yeah.
So these are holding the Boolean value. So right here, we show you the variables, 14 point string, and Boolean value, okay? Okay, that cover these things right here, okay? What time is it right now? Let me see. 9:30. Okay, let's go for another 5 minutes. Is okay?
Mhm.
I know you have some other thing to do in school tomorrow, okay? So I don't want to take up too much of your time. So now you do have these different things. Next one, you do have mathematical expressions. Okay. You need to do some mathematical expressions. So right here, before we go to the mathematical expressions, let's look at a table. Okay, this table you must remember is the JavaScript data type versus the Python data type. Right here, okay. Right here, you need to remember this one. Hello, hear me?
Yeah.
So Python's str string here, we call it string. Python integer float, right here, we call it numbers. Python's capital T, we call it true, a lowercase. Python false, right here, we call it false. Python's none, we call it null. Python list and tuple, we call it array right here. Python's dictionary, we call it object. Did you learn this before?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, but you need to remember this table so you can have an idea faster. Okay, let me copy this one for you. Okay.
Okay.
So this one is about the data types, and we cover the basic data types. And today we finished the string, these numbers and booleans. Okay, we covered that. So next time we are going to go over more. Okay, today I think I can just go up to here. Okay, next time we are going to go to the if then else, those kind of things, and mathematical expression. Okay, and then calling of the function, but you need to speed up yourself. Okay, you speed up yourself, but going to the finish the unit 3 before Saturday. Okay,
Yeah.
is that okay? Now,
Yes.
in addition to that, if you have time, I don't think whether you will have time or not, but if you do have time, we have the Moodle, right? And I'm going to give you another Moodle assignment. This will be another thing, but hopefully, if you have time, you do it. If you don't have time, next time, okay? Let's do it this way. Last time we do, so this time I'm going to go to the app overview. I'm going to go to here. If you have time, finish your unit 3A. So unit 3, they have 3A and 3B. You work on 3A. Is okay?
Yeah.
There are maybe 50 problems. If you cannot finish it this time, you try 1 week. Okay, it's okay. I'm okay, but anyway, you need to speed up. But right here, in about 50 problems, try to work on it. It's okay.
Yeah.
So when you do it, you need to do it this way. You need to do download. You don't just scroll down. Scroll down right here. They may have more page, but you may miss. That's why maybe you don't see the last one. Don't just scroll down. Scroll down is not enough.
Okay.
You need to hit right here. There is a download button. Okay. Any question?
No.
Okay. Wish you good luck. Okay.
Okay.
That's it for today. Good night and bye bye.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye bye.